this video, I'm going to show you how to create or deploy an Airtable clone that can handle millions of records within a single table. A limitation that can be very annoying if you have over 50,000 records. And with this method here, you can do it without. Or you can actually have more than 1 million records inside your table or database. We're going to use Hetzner as the VPS. We're going to deploy Supabase as the Postgres database. And we're going to put NoCodeDB on top of it as a visual representation layer, visual database. So first of all, let's go into Hetzner, create an account, then go ahead and create a server. I'm going to take the cheapest option or second cheapest here with 8 gigabytes of RAM. Then my location, I don't really care at the moment. This is just for testing. Ubuntu server, correct. And labels groups, no. And then we're going to do Airtable-clone, like so. And then we're going to create and buy. This is going to take like 10 seconds to spin up. Awesome. We're now logged in. I'm going to grab my installation here for Coolify, paste that in, click enter. Now, this is going to install Coolify, and this is going to take a while, like 5 minutes-ish. We are now ready to deploy stuff. First of all, go to projects, add a project, call it Airtable clone or whatever you want to call it, really matter. Then we're going to add a resource, and we're first going to deploy NoCodeDB, and that is because of the performance. The performance of a Postgres or an SQL database and this on top far outweighs the performance what you get with Airtable. I can't remember exactly how many we have, a couple of hundred here, and that is fairly doable in Airtable. Lags a bit, but not that much. When you go to a few thousand articles, like we have 500 articles here. When we get to 1,000 articles, then we're going to see some performance degradation. So you can see that we have all this here, and we can take the article tab, for example, and go to long text and enable rich text update. So now we have our articles here formatted in Markdown with links and all that where it's supposed to. And you can see when I scroll down, it loads super fast here. Like if you ever worked with large tables in Airtable, like this is just something else. But let's say we have 200,000 records now. And this is where you cannot do this in Airtable. It has a 50,000 record limit.